Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring invoice in QuickBooks. Step 1 is going to be to open a new invoice. Click plus new on the left menu and then select invoice. Fill it out as you normally would with customer info, services or product details and total. Step 2 is to set to recurring. Now at the bottom of the invoice, you're going to click make recurring. This opens a template setup screen. Step 3 is to name your recurring templates. Give your template a clear name like monthly website hosting, client A, or whatever else that you want to name it. And then you're going to choose the type. It could be scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. Next is to set the recurring schedule. It could be interval, select weekly, monthly, etc. You're going to set the start date, that is when the first invoice should go out, as well as the end date. This is optional, you could just leave it blank for ongoing billing. Step 5 is to review and save. Double check everything, customer info, product and services, total, and message. And if everything looks good, click Save Template. QuickBooks will now automatically generate and send the invoice based on your settings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.